Question number 29. One side of square ABCD has a length of 18 meters. A certain rectangle whose area is equal to the area of ABCD has a width of 6 meters. What is the length in meters of the certain rectangle? Okay, so we are going to take this one step at a time. The problem mentions a square, right? And we know that the area of a square is actually side square, right? Side square. And it actually says that that area, the length of one side is 18 meters. Well, we know that because this is a perfect square, this is going to be 18, and so will this side, and so will this side, okay? So we can safely say that the area of this square is actually equal to 18 square, right? Okay, so let's take care of the second portion, okay? So then it says that a certain rectangle whose area is equal to the area of ABCD. So we know that the area of ABCD is side square, right? And it says that a certain rectangle whose area, so we know that the area of a rectangle is equal to length times width, right? So because it says whose area is equal to ABCD, so we're going to set length times width equal to the area of the square, okay? And it says it has a width of 6 meters, okay? So what we're going to do is say 18 squared is equal to length times 6, because the width is 6, okay? So now that we have set up this equation, length times width, and width is equal to 6, okay? We are going to now put this portion into the numeric solver, okay? And solve. So let's go over to our calculator and do that. So select the Math button, tab up to numeric solver. I told you guys that this numeric solver will be a lifesaver when you are working your problems. So this is really cool. Length times 6, okay? And we are solving for length, okay? We are solving for length. All right, so now we have our left side, which is E1, and the right side, which is E2. Select graph. You want to say select graph again to solve. And we can clearly see here that the length is 54. So the length is 54. That's here. And the width is 6. Okay? All right. And if we want to check this, we can actually check this, okay? Because the problem says that a certain rectangle whose area is equal to the area of the square. All right, so let's go ahead and check and make certain that 54 is actually correct. We're going to circle it. Okay, so say second quit. So the area of the square is 18 square. All right, so that is 324. Okay, and now we are going to check this one, length times width. All right, 54 times 6. And that's also 324. So we know that our answer is correct. Okay, your solution is E. All right, I hope this was helpful. Several of you got this problem wrong. I think only a handful of students got it correct. So wanted to send this out to make certain that you are using your keywords and phrases. You are writing what you hear, even when it comes down to shapes. So if you hear square and rectangle and area, you know those formulas, right? Go ahead and draw pictures, write that down, so that way you can step by step process through the question instead of being overwhelmed by what you hear. Okay, you guys can do this, all right? Enjoy. Thank you. Bye-bye.